In this video, we're going to show you how you can make $10 in less than 10 minutes. And the great thing is, you can keep repeating these steps as often as you want. In addition, you do not need any substantive knowledge for this method. This method is suitable for everyone, anywhere in the world, and it's completely free. So you don't have to make an investment. In this video, we're going to show you how you can earn $10 in gift cards in less than 10 minutes. You can spend these gift cards at Amazon and eBay, for example. To do this, it's important that you watch the full video and do not skip any steps. If you do skip a step, you will not earn any money. On this channel, we tell you how you can make money. If you want to receive more videos like this and stay up to date with our tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel now by clicking the subscribe button. So, are you ready to make money? Because we are now going to tell you how you can earn $10 gift card money in 10 minutes. Before we start, one more tip. Save this video for later viewing. To earn $10 in 10 minutes, we're going to write software reviews. And as said, you do not need to have any substantive knowledge for this. We will tell you how to do this. The website where you can start making money quickly is Capterra.com. Capterra is a review website for software. We recommend that you watch this video before visiting the Capterra website, because if you skip one of these steps or don't do it right, you won't earn any money. Once you are on the Capterra website, go to Write a Review at the top right of the screen. The entire process consists of 3 simple steps. Before we sign up to write a review, you must first choose a software program. You can actually choose from thousands of programs to write a review about. And the great thing is that it really doesn't matter what you choose. You can earn from all programs. Whether you're going to write about CRM systems or VoIP software, it doesn't matter. And again, no technical knowledge or user experience about the software is required. We will show you how to do this in this video, step by step. You can choose a program or search for it in the search bar. As an example, we're going to write a review about an email marketing software. We choose Sendinblue for this video. We then enter Sendinblue and click on search. Once you have found the software you want to write a review about, click on its name. You will then be taken to the first screen of the review. As you can see at the bottom of the page, the whole process consists of 3 steps. We go through these one by one. Step 1. Step 1 consists of filling in your details. And it is important that you adhere to the following instruction. Because if you skip a step here or do something else, you will not earn any money and you have done everything for nothing. Capterra requests a number of personal information in the first part. Your name, your surname, and your email address. You can enter your personal details here. Then they ask you for your job title. And here it is important to fill in the correct one. Capterra values the opinion of a specialist who has experience with the software. Enter freelancer under job title. Capterra likes to see reviews from freelancers. Then enter self-employed under organization name. And at branch, you choose one of the branches. In this case, we choose computer hardware or computer software. Choose myself only at company size. The question of how long you use the software is very important. Capterra values reviews from users who have tried the software for a long time. This gives more value to the review. We recommend that you choose a minimum period of 6 to 12 months. Never choose the free trial because your review will not be approved and therefore does not yield any money. Select at how frequently do you use this software, that you have used the software at least once a week. Finally, you indicate that you are the user yourself. They will accept your point of view and you can make money. So if you are still watching, you did a great job and completed the first stage. Once you have completed everything correctly, click on Next. Step 2. In Step 2, Capterra asks you to review the software. Initially, you do this by giving the software a number of stars. Capterra asks you for the software on user-friendliness, functionality, customer service, price, and overall impression. Capterra loves good reviews and therefore likes to see the highest possible score. there are a number of criteria that you can optionally assess. Our advice is to fill this in as much as possible, because as we said before, Capterra would like to see a review that is as complete as possible. So to increase the chances of getting paid for your review, we fill in as many options as possible. After you have provided as much information as possible, Capterra asks you what you think of the price compared to other similar programs. Although your choice is not very influential, we recommend that you always answer this question. In this case, we opt for mid-tier. You will also be asked to what extent you recommend the software to friends. Go here for the highest possible rating. For example, a 9 or a 10. When you've filled in everything, we are finished with step 2 and can proceed to page 3. Click on Next. Step 3. Step 3 is actually the most important step of this process. In this step, we will tell you what we think of the software and what the pros and cons are. And we can imagine that you will find it difficult to write a review, especially if you've never done it. But we're going to tell you how to do this. What we recommend first is to read a number of reviews on the website. These reviews are posted after they have been approved by Capterra. Our advice is to use this for your own review. Of course, you should not copy this literally, but use the content of the reviews for your own review. Read them through and write your own review. You can then use your first review as a blueprint for subsequent reviews. First, Capterra asks you to give your review a title. Keep it simple. In this example, we give the title review Send in Blue. You will then be asked to enter a number of benefits. Name 3 or 4 benefits from the program. For example, the ease of use, the integration options, the price, and the customer service. It doesn't matter what you enter as long as it's valuable. Once you have stated the advantages, they also ask you to name the disadvantages. It's okay to be critical, so just fill it in. For example, state that you would like to add tutorial videos to the Help Center or something similar. Then you will write down your general experience. As mentioned, use other reviews for this. Get inspiration from this and create your own story. And this doesn't have to be an extensive story. Think about 400 or 500 characters. Finally, you will be asked if you have switched from another program. Here you can just enter no. So now you're ready to submit your review. To do this, click on Submit. Your review has now been submitted and is under review by Capterra. If you are doing this for the first time, it may take a few days for your review to be accepted. Once your review has been approved, it will be posted on the website and you will receive a $10 voucher. It may take you a little over 10 minutes the first time, but once you get the hang of the process, it will go much faster. As you've seen, it is very easy to make $10 in minutes. And the great thing is that you can keep repeating this process. Alright, this was our video about making money writing reviews on Capterra. Let us know in the comments if you get started with it. Do you want more tips on how to earn money in an easy way? Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.